Making our customers happy is our #1 priority, so when one of them writes us an awesome 5-star review, well, we love to share it. And that's what one customer had to say about their experience with our business. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one. We enjoy sharing them with our team members and customers. It's extremely encouraging and validating. Plus, it's a great testament to our commitment to customer satisfaction. So if you want to work with somebody who will focus on you and listen to your needs, let our first-rate, top-notch service do the job right for you. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.